Dear Diary, isn't it just a wonderful thing we get to experience sunset every single day? And cameras don't even really capture it. Oh, yeah. Have I mentioned yet that we moved to South Carolina? We live right outside of Greenville, also located near the Blue Ridge Mountains. What a joy! It's currently Vlogmas, so I'm really excited to share this new place on my channel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the adventure vlog. We are in our new city, our new state. This is our video of just exploring South Carolina and where we're living. We just came back from this cute little holiday market that it was by Habitat for Humanity. So it was just really great prices on a lot of cool old Christmassy stuff, and I just love that. And now we're going to go on a hike. It's gonna be a pretty easy one, but we're excited to check it out. How are you feeling, Log?
I'm excited. It's a really cute area that we're in. South Carolina is beautiful. The weather is beautiful. We're right by the mountains. I'm excited to learn more about it.
Yeah, let's go. I'm being tested by the universe. I have to learn to accept all beings. I know.
Did you know there's 1,000 spiders?
We're located pretty close to Clemson, which people take pretty dang seriously. So we're at this store that has a whole bunch of Clemson University gear. Well, it's cool. Look at this big ass tiger.
Wow.
I don't know. That's pretty cool. It's so crazy to me. It will never make sense to me the way that all these people love sports. Like, this is all for one team. I don't get it. We were given these outside of the store. We didn't find anything there, but we are now at a Goodwill to try and check it out. Okay, y'all, I have never seen a Goodwill do this before. 50 cents, any yellow tag, 50 cents. That's crazy. Like, I could be in here for like hours and hours. Any yellow tag is 50 cents. Well, there's something happening. Oh, dancers! Upon arriving to the spot, we learned that there was some sort of K-pop dance event going on. We have been a little bit all over the place in this vlog, which I kind of love. It's been a while since I've done this sort of montage-y mix of things in a video. One of my favorite things to do with moving around all the time is visiting my local library. So we're gonna go there now. The best thing is access to all of these books. And usually I can get a library card by just showing our names on the lease or something like that. And also it's a wonderful place to find local events that are going on. Usually these libraries have bulletin boards and things filled with local events, markets, open mics, trivia nights, just everyone from the community can leave their information there. And so, yeah, it's cool to just get to know the place more. So let's go. Okay, so you know how like 3 minutes ago in this video, it was so beautiful outside and we loved the weather? Okay, well, that was a couple weeks ago in real life and it's freezing now. Not as cold as it could be. It's not snowing here. It's not really cold enough to snow, but it's cold enough to feel like I'm freezing. So anyway, let's go get some coffee. y'all know I am such a Dunkin' girl, but realistically, I was only a Dunkin' girl for so long because they were doing like happy hours and I could always get really cheap coffee. More than anything, we need to be supporting small local businesses because also the coffee is way better than like any of these big chains anyway. I don't know what to order. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Hi. I have no idea what I want. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Is the menu online or? Yeah. I want something hot that is holiday-ish.
Holiday hot? Do you like eggnog?
I like eggnog.
We have a Clark Griswold, so it's a eggnog latte with caramel and brown sugar.
Yeah, let's do that.
Do you want to do it hot or ice?
Hot, please.
What size for it?
Let's just go large. Let's do it. So yes, as I was saying, it's important that we are supporting small local companies, these big businesses, you guys. I don't know how many times I can say it, but they don't really need more business. Like, they're doing just fine without you. So, and that's one of the awesome things about moving around as well, is going to all the local coffee shops. I ended up going with a like eggnog brown sugar latte, I guess, extra large apparently. This poor girl was taking my order standing out in the freezing cold. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little catch-up vlog / we moved to a new area. It's definitely an adventure, but also not quite the type of video that I'm always making. It's usually like, oh, we're visiting this place for the weekend, so it's jam-packed with action, but this is where we're living now, and I'm really excited to bring you an apartment tour. Spoiler alert, it's a house tour in 2026 of the place that we're living. And yeah, there's a lot to look forward to, so just make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for being here for Vlogmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year besides Halloween, and keep living large. I'll catch you on the flip.